Here we go. Okay, so first thing you want to look for is you want to look for the symmetry. Okay, we have a scapula and a scapula. Okay, find the superior angle. Okay, and the spine, thoracic spine. Okay, measure with your fingers. Okay, we're looking for a 2-to-1 ratio. Okay, so we look from the superior angle to the spine. Then we find her inferior angle, the tip to her spine. You want to see a 1-to-2 difference between the superior and the inferior. This one looks pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to go on this side. Superior angle, spine, inferior angle, spine. Looks pretty good. Okay, so there's a 1-to-2, and then we just want to check to see if there's any winging. Okay, and she doesn't have any winging. Okay, so her scapula look pretty symmetrical. Okay, from there, I'm going to go and I'm going to check her scapulohumeral rhythm. First thing I'm going to do is cup the inferior angle of the scapula. Okay, what I'm looking for is from 0 to 60 degrees of shoulder flexion should be pure glenohumeral motion. Okay, there it is. That's where it begins. Now, for the rest of the range, I'm going to follow her inferior angle until it stops, which is right about there. Okay? Then at the very end of the range, there might be some more pure glenohumeral rhythm at the very end. Okay? And then she comes back down. And as she comes down, I'm following the inferior angle.
You're holding the forearm?
I'm holding the forearm just below the elbow so I can control the arm. Okay? So she had good scapulohumeral rhythm. Okay? And so those are the first two things you're going to do before the muscle test, whichever one that is that you get.